Hi both, thanks for joining me. It's great that you're going to be delivering a session next month at the Enterprise Architecture and Business Process Management Conference. For those looking to attend, can you give a kind of a quick overview about yourselves and your experience?
Sure. I'll start. Arno van der Drift. Been at my current employer, ABN AMRO Bank, for about 8 years. But before that, I've worked for as a consultant for a number of years, mainly in process management and change management. Also started as a process manager within the bank about 8 years ago, and am now working as lead for the Center of Expertise BPM at ABN AMRO, working hard on reintroducing BPM within our organization.
So, how about you, Alicia?
Yes, I've been working in the banking industry since 2012. I did several different topics within 3 various banks: cash management, IT, business intelligence, data management. So it's a bit like eclectic type of experience, but I think this is also one of the reasons why Arno invited me into his team, to have somebody who have seen several parts of the banks in a way. And if you come to our sessions about how we want to redesign the BPM and building ecosystem and connecting different perspectives of the bank, I think it makes sense.
Great stuff. So yeah, obviously the session's called Connecting Perspectives and Building a BPM in your Business Process Management ecosystem. Can you give me an overview of kind of what that session is going to look like?
Yeah, sure. It's quite a short, in the 30 minutes that we're going to try to compress the lesson learned and the decisions that we've been doing in the last 3 years, I think, right, Arno? In redesigning the BPM framework that we have within ABN AMRO, but also some of the lesson learned that we have in the transformations journey. Right? So I think that's some of the key things that we will share during the sessions.
Great. And obviously, without giving too much away, don't want to reveal your secrets, but kind of what were some of the key challenges that you faced when you were building this ecosystem?
Yeah, I think as part of our session, we'll go through all the sort of parts of our transformation journey. So that starts from, you can have a great idea, but that doesn't mean you can actually initiate change and you have the momentum that you need. So how we got there, but then also some of the content challenges we faced. So as the title says, it's about connecting perspectives. The fact that, all these different parties within an organization see the organization quite differently, but convincing them that this sort of bridge function that we use BPM for was needed was quite a challenge. And then, we'll go through a bit of the choices we made on the content side, as well as the change management side as well. So we're trying to really look at both sides of that.
Great stuff. And you've kind of answered this already, but what are you hoping that attendees will take away from your session? What are kind of the key messages you want them to take away?
I think one of the interesting things that we want to share is some of the redesigning principles that we end up with is quite different than how the BPM is commonly used currently. So we're hoping to be able to share that in terms of content challenges. There's some lesson learned there as well, as Arno already mentioned, but also on the transformation side, right? There's also a lot of the people side and the softer side of transformations, where we did some mistakes there as well, and we hope to share what are those mistakes and how did we kind of turn it around and what the lesson learned. So hopefully that's also can be quite an inspiration for other people to not make the same mistake as we did, right? Sharing is caring.
Absolutely. Well, great stuff. It sounds like an interesting session, and I look forward to seeing you there.